Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here. So as you can see today, I will be painting on a square canvas. I thought I'd give it another go at the string pull and that I would do that with a rainbow. So I'm using up all leftovers. Everything has water, Floetrol, and everything has silicone. So I will be doing it on a white background, and this time actually I'm going to try it with a string that's just a little bit larger than I've done my previous ones. So I'm interested to see if there's going to be much of a difference. So here goes. I'm so pleased with the results of this painting. It's so colorful and bright. I really enjoyed trying the larger string. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.